Want to know how to count the frequency of each word in a sentence in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, counting frequency or counting how many times each word appears in a sentence is super simple. So first off, we have this sentence right here, and what we do is we simply split it just like before. We used to do it in every video, so we just split it. And we use a HashMap as well, so you can see HashMap that has been used right here, and that's it. So for each word, we either add it with count 1 or update its count. That's it. So this handles any sentence like Java is fun and Java is powerful. So once you press run, your output will show something with a number. So here you can see Java has been repeated twice, and powerful has been repeated once, and is 1, is 2, and font is also 1. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you can easily check frequencies. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.